virgin mojito. It's based with lime, fresh mint, sugar and Sprite. So take your highball, add 8 wedges of lime. Make sure you add 3 spoons of white sugar. Take your muddler, muddle the lime, so you extract the juice. Now you need to add mint leaves. Add about 8 mint leaves. Muddle the mint, so you extract so you don't kill the mint, so that's the reason you muddle the mint later and you add the mint later. Just give it a slight muddle. There you go. Fill the glass with ice. Make sure you fill it fully with crushed ice. If you don't have crushed ice, you can use any normal ice. And top it up with Sprite. Take your spoon and give it a nice stir. So you mix the lime juice and the Sprite together. And to garnish your drink, you can garnish it with a lime wheel or a mint squirt. There you go. Cheers. That's your virgin mojito. Enjoy. Thanks for watching. Leave a like if you like the video. Subscribe if you want to see more. And don't forget to drop me a comment below if you want to see more videos of whichever cocktails you want. So let me know. And until then, that's it for now. Cheers and enjoy.